Um, Today I'm gonna show you how to make $100 per day or more than $100 per day by using your mobile phone. There's an app that you can do surveys. You can earn money from that. You can watch video. You can earn money from that, or you can download apps and you can earn money from that. Past payout through PayPal. So uh, just jump onto my phone and show you the app. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And in the comments, say me how can I improve this video or what kind of video you want to watch. So subscribe now and let's start. Alright guys, the app is called this one, Make Money. So you can download the app in your Apple stores or Android stores. I can show you the Make Money. This is the third app. You can see from here I already downloaded this over 1 million download and 4.6 review. So if you go in the Android store and search app how to make money using app, this is the one app have a higher download and higher review, so you can trust this app. So basically what you have to do is there's the offer board here or your dashboard here. This is the fantastic offer board. If you click here, let's open the pages. These are the offer you have to complete to get the commissions. So if you do the surveys, you can earn up to 820. So if you click that, it will open in your browser, and in the browser it show the which surveys and offer what kind of points, how much credit you can get it. So these are the surveys. So if you spend 5 minutes, you can get 150 credit, or 3 minutes, 148 credit. Obviously, you have to qualify for the survey. So you have to take you have to answer 3 or 4 questions. Then they decided you are eligible or not. So this is the one way you can make money. So basically, what is that? Answering survey and get the credit, or you are completing the offer and get the credit. Or here you can go for this one. This is the downloading app and you get the credit for that. So I prefer this one because you can get a large amount of credit. That 3,540 credit is not that easy because you have to download, you are over 18 to do that. This is the it's a type of poker game, I believe. So basically you download the app, play the game, and you get the credit. This one also is the same thing. Is download the app, play for certain minutes. They will tell you what you have to do in each app. Some app you have to buy something using the credit or something like that. But when you follow the rules, you can get the credit easily. And this one, my favorite, when I do focusing on other work, I use this one. It's a watching videos. Basically, every video you watch, you get 2 credit. So it's the automatic. So it's play the video automatically, and you can get the 2 credit. And this one, if you put the feedback for this app, you can get 100 credit. So basically, if you go to the payout section, if you get 5,000 credit, you can make $5. If you make 10,000 credit is $10, and you can see that rest of them from here. But I already have a 345 credit. But if you go here, I want to show you something. Okay, here, see that's a 4,400 credit. So if you download and complete the offer, you are already eligible for $5. So this one is 1,500. This is 5,500. This is 5,430. So it is easy to make $100 per day, but I not recommend if you spend the entire time you making it. But you can use this app when you're traveling, or when you're waiting for some in office, or wherever you have a free time. You can use this app to make minimum $5 per day, maximum more than $100 per day or more. So that depends on you, how you manage time and what kind of offer you received. And this app is working anywhere, not only US or UK. Is you can make money from anywhere, any part of the country, until you have the PayPal account for the payout. Okay, thanks guys for watching my videos. I try to upload a new video every single day. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and in the comment section write me what kind of video you want to watch. I want to tell you again, I'm not the guru. I don't have any experience. While I'm learning new stuff to make money online, I make a video so you can learn too. Thank you.